How are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Student, in previous video we will have started our second chapter, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom, which is written by Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela, and this is the autobiography of Nelson Mandela. And in previous video we have learned about that installation of the first democratic government of South Africa. Mandela addresses the guest and the oral comprehension check of that page. Now today we will start with the next paragraph. Now when Mandela had taken oath, South African jets displayed the military power. Now it also showed the loyalty of military to democracy. The highest military generals saluted him. He recounted that they would have arrested him many years before. It was followed by the playing of two national anthems. The whites sang Nkosi Sikelel, the old song, and the blacks sang Die Stem, the new song, which marked the end of the ceremony. Nelson Mandela remembers about days gone by which will soon be the part of history, where the whites had formed a system of racial dominance against the blacks. It was the basis of the harsh societies which is now overturned. He says that the policy of apartheid, means policy of racial segregation, created a deep and lasting wound on his country and its people. Now, it is the system that recognized the rights and freedom of all people. Here, students, these are some prominent names in the struggle against apartheid. Now, on the auspicious day, Mandela regretted the loss of thousands of people and remembered their sacrifices for the freedom from discrimination. He thought of himself as the sum of all those African patriots who sacrificed their lives before him. He was pained that he couldn't thank them. Now he recalled great freedom fighters like Oliver Tambo, Walter Sisulu, Chief Lothlio, Yusuf Dadoo, etc. Now who were the men of uncommon courage, wisdom and generosity? From these freedom fighters, Mandela learned that courage is not lack of fear, but victory over that fear. Mandela believed that the freedom fighters are the real wealth of the country. Now Mandela believed that being white or black is not the token of one's goodness or superiority. No one is born hating other people due to color or religion. People should love each other as love comes naturally, not by force. Now students, what we learn in that paragraph, there is oral comprehension check from there. Now first is, what do the military generals do? How has their attitude changed and why? Answer. The military generals saluted Mandela to express their loyalty to democracy. Their attitude has changed from what it used to be before the ceremony. Earlier, these generals had treated Mandela as a criminal, so they would have arrested him. Now this attitude is changed due to the fact that Mandela was now the elected president of their country. Second question, why were two national anthems sung? Answer, two national anthems, one of the blacks and the other of the whites, were sung to end racial prejudice. It was done to signify equality of both the races. Third question, how does Mandela describe the system of government in his country in the first decade and in the final decade of the 20th century? So in the first decade of the 20th century, the white-skinned people of South Africa ended their own differences. They started system of racial domination against the dark-skinned people of South Africa. The system they created formed the basis of harsh and most inhuman societies the world had ever known. In the final decade of the 20th century, the previous system had been removed forever. It had been replaced by one of that recognized the rights and freedoms of all people, regardless of the color of their skin. Question number 4. What does courage mean to Mandela? Answer. For Mandela, courage did not mean the absence of fear, but the victory over it. According to him, brave man did not need to be fearless, but he should be able to conquer fear. Fifth question. Which does he think is natural, to love or to hate? He thinks love is natural, whereas hate is not natural. The feeling of love comes to our heart naturally. On the other hand, we have to learn how to hate, as this feeling does not develop by itself. So students, here we complete our second oral comprehension. So you have to write all the answers in your notebook and once again read and learn it.